Hey guys, today I want to talk about making stickers from your art. It's pretty intuitive nowadays. It's pretty simple on all the apps and websites online. So the first thing I want to talk about is making sure you are taking into account what shape you're wanting for your sticker. If you're going to keep the full art piece intact, then it'll probably be like a circle like this, or a rectangular shape, because you have those options. That is the full painting right there that I used for that sticker. Or you can do a die cut on like Sticker app, and it'll just cut over all the shape, and I'll show you how to do that. Sometimes if you don't have a background on your digital piece or whatever it is, you won't have to do that. But for this one, there's these little shapes right here, little like prongs coming out from that appendage, whatever it is. It will automatically go around those, so you don't have to worry about it. If you have little small details sticking out like that, it'll take care of that. So the first step you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go into your digital piece, and say it's like a simple white background. You're going to want to select that white background. Use like an automatic select. You can do that in Photoshop or Procreate or any of the modern tools that you use for your digital art. And then you're going to want to erase that background. There are many file format options like Procreate, Photoshop, JPEG, PNG. For this, we're going to go PNG because it doesn't really compress a lot. We're going to save that image, and then we're going to take it into Sticker app. So Sticker app has a few options that you can go, but we're going to use the custom sticker option. And you have the cut lines, the die cut. You can make them to circles, round, corners. You can get different designs on sheets. But for this, we're just going to do the die cut, which is what I usually go with. And I'll usually stick with the material, the vinyl stickers, and we're going to upload a file. And just upload that Tengu that we've been looking at. Yeah, and we'll use that. And just upload that file, and then so here you can move around the sticker within that white area, or you can choose to go to the cut line, which is down from the upload file, and then choose whether you want the shapes, or if you want to go the die cut with the large, and then the medium, and then the small. I like the medium and the small. The large is just a little bit too much. That's up to you. And you also have a lot of materials like glitter and glow in the dark, holographic, clear, mirror stickers, prismatic stickers. I really like those. Some are a little loud. They even have the craft paper stickers, which I thought was really cool. I might start getting some of those. And then you can also throw in some text there. I just thought of any stupid little text. I was like, "Fight me!" So yeah, we'll put that there, and you can also choose some fonts. They only have so many. Some of them are pretty cool. So I just picked the Flames one, and then you can just mess around with some of the color. And you can also change the background of the sticker. It doesn't have to be white, so that's really cool, and that's why it's important for you to select out your backgrounds for your pieces, like I showed earlier. And you can also add some, little clip art. Like if it's gonna work for your sticker, why not add it? You know what I mean? And then you can choose the quantity. I put just 150, doesn't really matter. That's going to change obviously the price, and then you can change the width. You can really customize how big you want your sticker to be, and then you just add to cart. You can go to checkout. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. If there's anything else you want to see, a topic you want me to cover, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.